One of the most important things we wanted to introduce in PROF TRAC was to create a snowball effect in order to introduce our methodology to all the countries involved and to be able to have PROF TRAC spread in all Europe. So what is important of these courses is that all the countries are mixed together to creating new courses, to sharing different methodologies and ideas. So it's really important that they are collaborating here.
I think the most challenging issue for new reserve construction is to get all the construction agents involved.
The challenge to train the NZ professionals in my country is mainly to attract them. It means that to convince them that the courses will be beneficial for them. And
I think that NZ involves a hell of a lot of things, of course, because we are focused on HVAC, mechanical installations in buildings, but it all starts with the building, in fact. So you have to get all these people on a level that they understand a lot of the other disciplines also.
The case is so that in our country we have too much information to be delivered.
In the training course, I'm surprised every time. They are so inspired by the didactical approaches that are different from their day-to-day life.
Yes, the positive things that we found. I think there's the fact that we are running the course as a combination course for the architects and for the engineers, working together on one case.
Well, the positive aspects I have found in this the trainer's course, I would say the contacts with people from other countries, so we can see different realities going on, and so we can see some common points also.
The course, in my opinion, was well prepared. We were well guided, and also that we were made to do the course preparation directly here on site, under the guidance of the teachers.
Well, I would say that was I positively amazed about the amount of information which you already collected and the material which is readily available for us to use. So.
I think it's essential for the multidisciplinary approach. It's essential for the NZIP design, because we need to look at the building from all views. That means not only from the architecture or the technical viewpoint, but we should make integrated approach, which is giving the best results in this field.